Hi everybody, it's Dee Slater with Create with Dee, and I have my next card class here ready to go, and I hope that you like it. And I do have a few changes of how I've been offering my card class. But first, let's see this beautiful collection. I'm calling this Wintertime card class because it's definitely not Christmas. It can be used for any time. Those that had taken all of my card classes so far, we have tons and tons and tons of Christmas cards. And so I thought I would just change this class up a little bit so that you can use it for some other winter celebrations. So let's take a look at what is coming with class. This one is probably the most fanciest one. It's a gatefold card that when you open it up, you have this beautiful pine cone, and it says let's celebrate on it is the sentiment that I chose for this. And this way you can, it can be, you can celebrate Christmas, you can celebrate a birthday, you can have any other celebrations that's on there. So that's how I decorated this one. And this is another card that we'll be doing, hello there. Again, just when you need to send that little something. And then this one can be used for maybe wishing somebody a Happy New Year's on it. So the class kit to go is $33. You're going to need to be making 6 cards, 2 each of these 3 designs, plus it also includes a pack of the elegant faceted gems, and I've used all of those on that one. After this video, there'll be a link on here about how to register for it. There's also some class specials. I had used these 3 stamp sets, Peaceful Deers, or Deer, Eden Garden, and the Christmas Season Bundle. You would need this bundle to replicate this card here with the pine cones, but don't worry, I'll be giving you just a nice big blank of white cardstock that if you don't own this, you can add maybe something else on there. But otherwise, if I can emboss it, die cut it, punch it, it is yours on it. So I hope you join me for class. Also, I will be doing each of these cards. This is where it's going to be a little different. This class, I will actually be doing each of the cards here starting on November 22nd so that everybody can see how that they're made. What the card kits would be able to do is just be able to make these along with me. And you know how fun it is to have things already done and ready to go. All right, well, that's it for today, and I hope you join me for my November Wintertime card class. Thanks, bye.